you know that the secret to glowing skin, better mood, and a strong immune system might be hiding in your gut? Yes, your gut is the real control center of your health. Hi, I am Ermelinda, pharmacist and nutritionist, and I help many people transform their well-being by focusing on one powerful thing, their gut microbiota. That's why I wrote this book, Life in the Gut, to help you take back control of your health from the inside out. If you are constantly feeling bloated, tired, and overwhelmed by food intolerance, you are not alone. In this book, I guide you step by step with clear and simple explanation of what your gut microbiota actually does, how to feed your good bacteria and restore balance, delicious, easy to make recipes including gluten-free, low FODMAP and nickel-free options. Want to know the one food I always recommended to kickstart gut healing? I reveal it along with several practical tips inside the book. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried a gut-friendly diet? Or are you struggling with good sensitivities? Let's talk. I'd like to hear your story. If you're ready to feel better, have more energy, and truly support your body from within, get your copy of Life in the Gut on Amazon today and start your journey to healthy you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more tips on gut health, easy recipes, and holistic wellness. Happy gut!